Hello friends! Kumusta kayong lahat? So for today's vlog, I'm gonna share with you our fun experience at Warner Brothers Hotel and Theme Park. We went there last March 2024. Babago ko i-upload yung aming vlog, naging busy po ako last year with my exam and then I also gave birth to Amara, kaya ngayon lang. But anyways, isi-share ko na rin yung aming fun experience in case naghahanap kayo ng place to stay with your family.
Hello everyone! Today we're getting ready to go to the Warner Brothers.
Where is Warner Brothers? Where's Warner Brothers? In Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi.
It will take us about 1.5 hours to reach Warner Brothers in Abu Dhabi.
Let's
Yay!
go.
Let's go. Fasten your seatbelt. Bye! So we booked a one-night stay at the hotel and meron na yung kasamang complimentary tickets for the theme park. So ang advice sa amin ng mga friends namin, since galing pa kami ng Dubai, enjoy muna namin yung amenities ng hotel pagdating namin. Hindi agad dumiretso sa theme park kasi pagod yung bata, malaki yung theme park, baka hindi niya na ma-enjoy lahat. Kaya nagstay muna kami sa hotel nung Saturday afternoon and then kinabukasan na kami nagpunta sa theme park. And true naman, na-enjoy talaga ni Bata yung theme park kasi hindi na siya pagod, nakapagpahinga na. And upon check-in pa lang, tuwang-tuwa na si Amira kasi sa reception area, maraming mga mascots na naghihintay at nag-welcome sa mga visitors. Ayan si Mira, ang dami-daming mascots niyang na-encounter dyan. Yung iba, hindi ko na rin kilala, bilang tayo Gen Y pa. And nandiyan naman si Tom and Jerry, kilala ko naman yan. And then later on, na-encounter namin yung mga characters sa Bugs Bunny. So yun, mga kilala ko. So after ng check-in, makikita natin before tayo pumunta sa lift, umakyat ng lift, merong magical piano. You just pick a song and then it will play by itself. Nice! Yes, we're here.
What's our password?
This is Buffalo.
What is our
What's our room number daw? Ayan, so papunta na kami sa aming room. Makikita nyo dyan sa wall ng mga nadadaan ng wall, mga different characters, different movies na na-feature ng Warner Brothers. So, yung iba dyan, syempre familiar na tayo kasi mahilig din naman tayong manood ng mga movies and kilala naman din kasi yung mga characters nila. So, ayan. So, we are here and magkakaroon lang tayo ng syempre, nagbablog tayo, room tour kunwari. Okay? So, nakapag-book kami ng standard room with 2 beds and meron siyang pool view from our room. So, maganda, maaliwalas. Maliit lang yung room, kasyang-kasya lang naman sa amin for one night stay. Maluwag na yun para sa amin and sulit na. Hindi rin naman tayo masyado magstay sa room. Siyempre, enjoy natin yung amenities ng hotel. So, this one is okay for us na.
5 minutes, give us 5 minutes. See? He's full.
At very excited na mag-swimming si Amira. So, pinagpanood muna namin ng TV habang si Daddy ay nag-prepare ng coffee. So, merong complimentary coffee and tea na pwede nating i-enjoy doon. And then, when you go to the pool side, merong activity area ang mga kids where they can sing and dance. Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
How's your swimming? Ba't hindi lamig? Hi, Amira. How are you? Are you still cold? Yes. But you enjoyed your swimming? Yes. Shall we go in again later? Or not anymore? It's too cold. Tomorrow. It's too cold. It's too windy today. And so after mag-swimming ng mag-daddy at ako naman matapos ako mag-aura-aura sa tabi ng pool, we had our dinner na. So ito yung mga kinain namin. So I will just share para may idea kayo kung ano yung mga kinain namin doon sa Warner Brothers. So buffet style siya. You get whatever you want. A reminder, don't waste food. Kunin lang yung kaya nating ubusin. So after dinner, we went back to the pool area kasi they are showing a movie. It's actually Harry Potter during that time. So habang nagpapababa ng kinain kasi medyo nabusog, ayan, pwedeng mag-enjoy, mag-movie-movie dyan. Kaya lang masyado pa rin malamig nung time na yon, so merong mga towels na binibigay para medyo pangkumot na rin natin. And yan, tapos na ang day 1. Now we're on day 2. Kumain muna kami ng breakfast. Complimentary din yon. And yung aming photo sa lower left part ng aming picture. At pupunta na kami sa theme park. Finally, very excited si Bata. Pero parang mas excited din kami ni Daddy. So let's go! Hey, what's up, Doc? It's Bugs Bunny! What's this? This is the mascot we saw yesterday, right? Yay! Nice! What's inside? Let me go upstairs? No.
Sa ceiling nila.
Ang ganda ng ceiling. Where's the mascot? I don't know. Maybe we'll check it out. Ayan, so very fascinated kami sa ceiling nung nagbabago yung mga LED lights na habang nagpapakita sila ng mga different movies na sikat na pinalabas ng Warner Brothers, no? So, iba-iba yung theme ng lights, iba-iba yung facade ng mga structure, depende kung ano yung pinapalabas nila sa screen. So, this time, this is The Lord of the Rings. So, meron din pinalabas yan yung Harry Potter. So, ako amazed na amazed. So, di ba, nag-selfie shot pa ako para makita yung mga ceiling all around. So yan, excite kami dyan. Bago kayo papasok sa theme park, kailangan nyo rin kumuha ng map kasi malaki. So, aralin nyo kung saan yung uunahin ninyong puntahan para ma-maximize yung time ninyo. Kasi sa theme park, marami doon mga rides na ang haba ng pila sa dami ng mga tao. So, isi-share ko lang sa inyo some of the snippets ng mga favorite parts namin na napunta kami. And
This place might really be haunted.
Like everyone over here,
Someone's been using this hall to set traps. This goes here, and that swings out from there. Then all we need is the bait.
Try asking Scoob. Great, Scoob. You deserve a Scooby snack. Wait, maybe I can help. Can I also get a Scooby snack? Sure, Shaggy. After you find the ghost on the northern end of the truck. Okay, here goes nothing. Now what? That's the way. That's like I'm going as fast as I can. It's right behind us.
Yan. So, favorite ni Mira yung area kung saan doon kami sa Scooby-Doo house. Yun yung pinaka-favorite niya na nagpunta kami. Tapos, sa rides naman, maraming mga smooth rides lang for the little kids. And meron din namang extreme rides kagaya nito. Nung pagpunta namin, ka-open lang around 11 a.m. Wala pang sumasakay dito. So, nag-wonder kami, ano ba yan? Kasi hindi namin siya makita mula doon sa loob na ganyan pala yung rides na yan. Sabi nung kuya nagbabantay kabayan also, okay lang po yan, kayang-kaya din yan ng bata. Yun pala, pagdating namin doon na try namin, ayan, grabe. Sobrang extreme. Kung alam lang namin, di talaga kami pupunta doon. But anyway, na-experience namin and we had fun. Alright, so that's about it para sa aming Warner Brothers experience. Sana makapasyal din kayo doon kasi worth it naman kahit medyo pricey kami. Medyo pinag-ipunan namin yun kasi gusto sa amin ipakita ni Daddy dahil naging part din siya ng construction nung Warner Brothers sa MEP part ng Warner Brothers Hotel. Ayan. So, at saka ang pinaka-favorite namin doon, very accommodating yung mga superhero characters magpa-picture. Kaya si Amira ay tuwang-tuwa. So anyway, thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye!